Hello everyone, I hope everyone doing good. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel. So let's start today's video. This video is very important for me because I made this piece for my late brother who left us last year in 2020, and also exactly a year ago today, the last time I talked to him. So I'm dedicated this video to him. And he was also the one who told me to start my own business of epoxy art. I will talking about him throughout this video. But first I want to let you know guys what I did so far in the beginning of the video. Before start any epoxy project, please make sure you wear your gloves and your mask. It's very bad smell and it's very bad for your lungs too. So please make sure you wear your mask and wear your gloves please. There is so many epoxy in the market, so they have their own mixing method, so which I was used and I really like this epoxy. And this is very easy to use. This is just like half and half. You have to put half hardener and half resin, and I really like the cure time is very good this epoxy. And I will let you know guys in the description name of this epoxy. Please accept my apology because I know I forgot so many things. I forgot so many names and I forgot like so many things name which I want you to guys know, but I totally forgot sometime, and that's why now I'm always writing down the points which I want to share with you guys, so that is very like easy for me. Also whenever I wanna make something with the flowers, so I always make sure where which flower I have to put, because the epoxy working time is very short, so you have to know where you have to put your flowers, which area, which colors and everything. So it this is very like important tip, so you will never run out the epoxy working time. You can choose any color, whatever you like. I wanna use like very natural colors. Natural means like I don't want put so many like pink or blue or something colors on this project. I just added one or two purple flowers because I just want to match with his scarf. As I told you guys in the beginning that he is the reason behind to start this epoxy business, because before his death, like 1 month before his death, he called me and I show him that because I'm in Canada and he was in Germany, so we did a video call that day, and I showed him my all DIYs project, and he was very happy that I'm able to do these things. And after like 2-3 days he sent me YouTube links which showed like how to do epoxy tables and things like that. And he told me that watch this video and learn from this video how you can make and you can start your own business, the epoxy business. So I just like saw that video, and I thought okay, I will do it. Some months before his death, he really want to do like DIYs. He bought so many machines, so many like things to do DIYs. Sorry guys, the behind voice, there is so much firework before we have Victoria Day today in Canada. We have Victoria Day today. Let's back to the story. So yeah, he bought so many machines and so many like wood. And when he passed away, I went to his house and he started like so many project he with the wood, and he like bought so many things to do DIY. But like nobody knows how much time we have in our life. He really appreciate me all the time, like whenever I made something. So he was so happy. He encouraged me to do like more things. So he said, I know you have capability, that you can do like these things. So yes, so he was the reason behind my epoxy business. I know he is in heaven and he's watching me, and he is very proud that I bring his dream in reality. So please remember him and remember me in your prayers. Thank you so much, guys, for watching my video. Take care. Bye.